Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can manually add time tracking in HubStaff. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.hubstaff.com and log in to your HubStaff account. Once you're inside this main dashboard, you are going to set your focus on the left panel and we're going to click on timesheets right here. And then, from the options that will appear, click on View and Edit. Next, to manually add a time tracking, we're going to click on Add Time right here on this button. And then we're going to select first the project. And then we're going to select a to-do, which would be the task or whatever to-dos that you have on this project. And then next would be the time span. When did this project happen? How long did it take? So we're going to set here. So let's say it's from 25. And then we're going to set when it started and when it ended. Keep in mind that this has to be from finish time and not ongoing time. Okay. So let's say it went from 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. After that, what is the reason for you to add this time tracking? Is it because you forgot to start or stop timer, use a wrong task or project, or was AFK on call? Or if it's not on the predefined options, simply click on Other and manually type the reason on why you're adding this manually. Then after that, you can even add a note right here and then simply click on Save. After that, if you remember, we set this on September 25. So let's dial back a little bit on the filters. And as you can see, the task that we just added is right here. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!